Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do the Aldi's Griddle again, and I got something special from you. We got this shrimp taco mix from Aldi's. That's right, we got it at Aldi's. Let me show you what we got. All right, here's what we got. We got two of these. Shrimp taco mix with veggies, red beans, and spices. And it looks pretty good. It's about, I think they're about $5 a piece. We'll do two of them. They're 10 ounces each, so it's 20 ounces. That'll be enough for four of us. Be plenty. But yeah, we're gonna do this on the griddle today. Wow, oh man, yeah, that's gonna be fun right there. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, here's what it looks like out of the package. I've never seen this before. It's got some salt seasoning in there, so I don't have to season this stuff. That's good. It's got its own seasoning. I hope it's good. So it's kind of a weird packaging. Look at that. All right, letting this heat up. We're gonna get this thing started. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do this from the back end today. Do something a little different. Here's what it is. I peeled it back. I didn't know how to do it. I didn't know it was gonna take 10 minutes or what. It's basically that on both of them. We'll go ahead and put oil down. Put a little bit of oil. And roll it. Got it on low. About 3/4. Do it this way today. Let's see. Where's that temperature? What she got? 439 in the middle, 411, 437. Okay, inconsistency. Oh well. Here we go. Get the oil down. Gonna dump this down. I got a pack. Hang on, there's a pack. There we go. Get it all out. Ooh, hope it's good. Pretty sure it's gonna be really good. They're kind of frozen, and two packs seasoning. The instructions say cook it frozen. They're weird. It says keep frozen until ready to prepare. Defrosted, do not refreeze and keep under refrigeration within 24 hours. So, I hope this ain't going to be a nightmare. Too bad. Get all this separated. I don't really like cooking stuff frozen, but I just follow the directions, I guess. That's all I can do. It don't take long. This is not going to take long at all. Not that much either. 20 ounces. Woo. Keep rolling. There we go. It's starting to defrost. I don't like doing it frozen. Yeah, this won't take long at all. I'm gonna go ahead and add that seasoning to it. We'll taste it first. May not be any good. A little bit on there. Woo! Oh God, yeah. Man, that's like blackened. Pretty good. Woo! Yeah, good. Oh man, that's spicy too. I'm gonna love that. But I'm gonna put on whatever comes with it. So yeah, we've had this for a couple weeks. Wanted to try it. My wife said, "Oh, go ahead and break that shrimp out. We'll do some shrimp fajitas or tacos, whatever you want to say it." But all right, sure, I'll do that on that Aldi griddle. All right with me. Do a quick stir. Hard to do that. I wish I had two long ones. There we go. like the short one though. So she had 2 long ones. Like this one. I love these things. Man, I love them. Best birthday gift ever. It may settle. It may take a minute. It'll take a few minutes for it to cook. That shrimp cook. Just like putting it in the skillet. And do pretty good. I think it's gonna be all right. Let's give it a little bit and we'll come back. All right, all we're gonna do is just flip it. Let it cook. Flip it around. Oh, that smells awesome. Oh my gosh, you can smell that on that camera. Oh man, it smells good. It smells good. The way it's cooked. Yeah, when I put it on there, it cools that thing off really, really quick, fast. Shrimp ain't ready yet. Now let's see what we got. Flip it over again. Yeah, I can't do that way. It's cooking. It's coming along pretty good. I like this. So it smells good. I know I said that before. I'm gonna say it again. You have no raw shrimp. You have sushi tonight. That's tomorrow night. Sushi. Sushi on the grill. I'm just kidding. I will come up with some good ideas. We'll come up with some more ideas. I want to cook some more Aldi stuff on the griddle. Turn it down a little bit. I want to do some more stuff on there. All right, let's do another flip. This baby's not done. There. Put it on out. Yeah, look at there. The joker in half. Look at it. Oh yeah, it's done. Shrimp is done. Ain't a lot of shrimp in there though. About 20 short pieces of shrimp. Too much. Give or take. There. Look at there. Look at there. It's time for a taste test. Man, I can't wait to do that. All right, she's done. Let's go ahead and pull it off. There. Drop it 1 or 2. And that's all we're doing is eating shrimp tacos, I guess. From Aldi's. Look there. Look at that beautiful plate. Now let's go get a tortilla. Look at that steam coming off there. Get a tortilla, some cheese, and some salsa on there. Let's try it out. Here's the best part of the video right there. One of the best parts. Look at that. It looks so delicious. Get out here, fly. There we go. We're gonna try it. Let's go ahead and make a plate real quick. Already got me a little plate. Salsa ran. Large tortilla, cheese. I didn't have any Mexican cheese, and some salsa. A little bit on there. Do a small one. So everybody else can eat. I'll do 1 shrimp. Yeah, there we go. Anybody else have some? I think maybe next time we need to do 3 of these. Do 3 at a time. There we go. Look at there. Here goes the fun part. Here we go. Let's taste test it. All right, look at there. There she is. We're going to test it. Man, I can't wait to test it. I'm going to let you know right now. Hang on. If this is any good or not. I'm fixing to tell you this comes from Aldi. So I'm going to tell you if it's any good to buy it or not. If it's good, I'm going to buy some more. If not, I'm going to tell you to buy it. Here we go. Taste test it. Hold it over. There's some in there. Look there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's got a good, yes. Oh God, yeah, that's so good. Oh my God, I'm about to faint again. But no, really, this is really, really good. Wow, from Aldi's. You believe that? It's good. You can taste the spice in it. It's got a little Cajun in it. So if you don't like spice, just a little, just a touch. Enough that I love it. It's enough for me to love it. Yeah, it's good. It's got the beans, corn, onions, green peppers, beans. I think it's pinto beans. And that's it. Onions, and with the shrimp. That shrimp, I hate that. Took that bite of shrimp. Man, that shrimp's pretty good. That's really good. Yeah, I recommend it. So yeah, I recommend this. If you find it, buy it. If you like shrimp tacos, buy it. It's really good. We bought 2. I think we may have to buy 3. They're right around, I think, almost $5. I can't remember exactly. It's been a couple weeks ago, but $15 if I had to buy 3. Because we're all gonna eat it. Yeah, they're still cheap. It beats going out and spending $15 a person plus. Probably about $20 a person on shrimp tacos. Or fajitas. So yeah, there you go. There's your video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I do have an Amazon affiliate link where you can find those Hotex. I brought them in. My Hotex grilling utensils. Yeah, and some other things on there. It's on my description below. Yeah, check it out. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.